What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. So the next stock for this morning is Ethereum, our ticker symbol ETH, you guys. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're on the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. So far, our trend right now is in the moon. Obviously, you can see this. I'm just joking, you guys. But we are on the daily time frame, so keep that in mind. So each of these candlesticks represent a day. So I just want to show you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candlesticks. Dude, I cannot, you guys. Literally, this is the most overextended stock I've ever seen, besides when Tesla was initially taken off, or NEO was initially taken off. But overall, this is super extended. Getting in right now would be literally, if you opened your book in the definition book and you seen the word FOMO, this would be it right here. This would be the picture right here. So getting in right now at the top of this mountain would be very foolish. Okay, if you were to get in right now, let's just say you got in right now, right? And we started pulling back at least just a 50% retracement to continue its upward trend, right? Because more than likely, we're either going to have a 50% retracement, or we're going to have a parabolic move like this already is. Because this is the parabolic move. Usually when you have a parabolic pattern, the same thing happens vice versa. So let's just say if these were all yellow bars down in this parabolic move like this, you would have the same reaction back upwards. So more than likely, we're going to have a parabolic move back, but now it's to where, though? So that being either a 50% retracement, or we may get a full retracement back all the way down to our major support line back down here. This is at the $2,500 level, you guys. We're up almost $170. So imagine if you got it up here and we decided to pull all the way back down here, okay? Then you would have to wait for this to gradually come back up, just for you to break even, not even to make a profit. So you got to keep in your mind, what is the best and safest entry that I can get in, so that way I can make a profit. And as of right now, getting in 10 candlesticks up is literally like, if I seen anybody buy this right now at this moment in time, unless you have no clue at all what you're doing and you just plan on holding for the next 5 or 10 years, go ahead. I mean, it really wouldn't matter because you plan on holding for X amount of years. But as somebody that's day trading, swing trading, scalp trading, if you were to get in right now, you guys, it would just be foolish, okay? And hopefully, like, from people's perspective, you can see this as well. But for the people that don't and have no idea, please wait at least for a decent pullback. We want at least a 50% retracement, and usually I can use prior price action movements to kind of pinpoint where we will pull back down to. But this is all void area, you guys. This is all areas that has never been touched before. So it's breaking new areas that basically I can't use for, prior price action movements, basically patterns to predict where we'll be heading next. The only thing that we have is back down here. This was our major resistance over here. You can see that's been tested multiple times. And on the opposite side, it works as a floor. So, but this is the only floor that we technically have. Okay. Oh man. So my neighbors are doing construction. I apologize for that, you guys. However, so the safest entry that I would get in would probably be back down here at the $2,500 level. This being the safest entry because this is the only bottom that we have, okay? You could throw in, you could start loading up if you're a super aggressive trader. If you wanted to load up maybe around the $2,800 level, that could be, an idea, because that would be the 50% retracement. So not all stocks will pull back all the way. If it pulls back all the way down here, that just basically shows that buyers are no longer stepping up, and it shows relative weakness. However, the only difference is that we don't have any void over here, so there's really nothing for this to continue this upward trend. But it doesn't mean that it won't. So it could always pull back 50% and continue its trend higher. But that's why I'm saying if you wanted to load some up here, you can. But like I said, I'm gonna personally wait until we get the best entry back at the $2,500 level. We may not come back to that level, but the closest that we can is where I will be able to put my entries in, you guys. But as of right now, like I'm saying, with this being so extended up here, starting to show that we're pulling back a little bit. You can see that we hit all-time highs of 3,499, and now we're starting to pull back a little bit. So just wanted to, open your mind, you guys, and kind of just show you exactly what I'm looking at. I already did Dogecoin yesterday, but I made a new one this morning just because both of these cryptocurrencies hit all-time highs. I was actually really looking forward to jumping into Dogecoin, but it never really pulled back to the safer entry for me to get in. It ultimately just kept going higher. So we're also waiting for an entry on that as well. So if this video helped in any type of way, or you just enjoyed listening to me, please hit that like and subscribe button, you guys. It allows me to create this content every single day. Just want to let you guys know we got our own personal thumbnails set. We're getting a new camera equipment. We're getting a new mic. We're getting a new backdrop, you guys. We're really trying to revolutionize Wall Street Traders, you guys, and make it the next level, okay? So hopefully I'm able to do that for you guys very soon. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.